Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to build a sales pipeline in Pipedrive so you can better organize your deals and track your sales process with ease. Let's get started. First, head over to the left-hand sidebar and click on Deals. This is your main hub for managing all your sales opportunities. By default, you'll see an existing pipeline, which is great for getting started, but today we're going to create a new one tailored to your workflow. Next, look to the top right of your screen and open the Pipeline drop-down menu. From there, select New Pipeline. This will take you to the Setup area where you can begin building your custom pipeline. Now, start adding your stages. Each stage represents a step in your sales process, from the first interaction all the way to closing the deal. Keep your stages simple and meaningful. For example, you might use stages like initial contact, qualification, proposal sent, negotiation, and won or lost. The goal is to reflect how your team actually works. After that, rename each stage to make it clear and easy to understand. Use consistent, action-based names so everyone on your team knows exactly what each stage means. This helps reduce confusion and keeps your pipeline organized. You can also assign probabilities to each stage. This shows how likely a deal is to close at that point and helps with forecasting. If you want even more control, you can enable stage routing to highlight deals that have been inactive for too long, helping you spot delays and take action quickly. Once everything looks good, click Save at the top right to apply your changes. And that's it. You've successfully created a custom sales pipeline in Pipedrive. Quick recap. Go to Deals, open the Pipeline menu, create a new pipeline, add and name your stages, set probabilities if needed, and click Save. Simple, structured, and powerful. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.